Most fascinating facts about dolphins you didn't know. First fact. Dolphins are highly intelligent marine mammals, known for their playful nature and problem-solving skills. Second fact. They use a special form of echolocation, sending out clicks and listening to echoes to hunt fish and navigate. Third fact. Dolphins are very social, living in groups called pods, where they hunt together and protect each other. Fourth fact. They can jump high out of the water and ride waves, which scientists believe is both fun and a way of communicating. Fifth fact. Dolphins are also known to show empathy, sometimes helping injured pod members or even protecting humans from sharks. Please like and subscribe for more fascinating animal facts.